What's going on, guys? Hope you guys have been good and are having a great week as usual. I'm super hyped for today's video. This was one Jordan 1 that I absolutely had to get my hands on, and that is the Jordan 1 High in neutral grey. These have not retroed since 1985, literally 35 years later. Jordan brand was smart with this one, honestly, capitalizing on the grey sneaker wave right now. You guys know that I'm into my grey tones heavy, so this pair was a huge must-have for me. Before we begin, of course, I'm going to be hitting these with a quick lace swap. We'll be going for these sail white laces from my friends at Factory Knots. So let's get that done real quick and then on to the unboxing, guys. We've got that nice red and black Nike box, extra grey laces, and OG Jordan hang tag for that 1985 throwback. Real nice touch. And now getting into the shoe, we've got an ultra clean white base, a white out toe box area, neutral grey swoosh in that nubuck suede leather, neutral grey nubuck details on the ankle area too, the Air Jordan Wings logo in an almost enamel-like shiny texture as compared to the usual printed ones, matching neutral grey outsoles, a white nylon tongue with a slight ice blue tint to it, that grey Nike logo on the top, and finally, sail white laces to finish it off. These are the Jordan 1 highs, so they are a little taller than their usual Jordan 1 silhouette, throwing it back to the silhouette of the 1985 pairs, and I think it suits the white and grey color combination really well. Also, Jordan brand did raise the price tag on these to $200 US. That's pretty pricey for a Jordan 1 if you ask me. They definitely knew what they were doing and full on milked it with these. But yeah, now that we've got all that out of the way, let's get to the fun bits with some on-foot looks and style tips. And there you go, guys. That was 3 ways to style the Nike Jordan 1 High 85 in the neutral grey colorway. Let me know which was your favorite look, 1, 2 or 3. Again, these are incredibly clean, such a simple, easy to style Jordan 1 with that nice hint of neutral grey. Another Jordan 1 that you could basically style with anything, and best believe these are going to see a lot of wear from me. But with that being said, that's gonna be it for me today, guys. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, share or comment. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoyed my content and would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, don't forget to check out my Instagram. And yeah, much love guys. Peace. See you guys again soon.